We have a career chart, and it gives you like a roadmap of, hey, if I'm gonna be here with this company and I'm gonna grow with this company, here's all the levels that I can get to. But we always start everybody as a cleaning technician. Well, let's think about the step right above that. The next level is called Rockstar. But what is a Rockstar? What defines a Rockstar? Nothing is more overwhelming than when you get the calls from your team members that are sick, can't make it, they're stuck in traffic, they have an emergency, they quit. So many things that can go wrong. In comes the Rockstar, your ultimate coverage person. The Rockstar person started off as a cleaning technician. Keep an eye on those people because those are the people that are gonna move up for you, right? You've got rock stars in your team right now, you don't even know it. Why I say this is so crucial, because there's that period in time when you're growing as a cleaning company and you go from being the business owner who is the coverage person, who is the rock star. You better be the rock star of your own company in the beginning, right? You have to be. It's the management or even us as owners that have to go out there and clean and service that account, because guess what? The client, they don't care, right? For them, they just want their account, their facility, their office serviced. That cleaning technician that you hired, that for 6 months you noticed that they've never missed a day, they've been on time, they've exceeded all expectations of what you had hired them for. They know the account in and out, they don't get complaints, they follow all protocols, they're constantly communicating with you. That's a recipe for a rock star team member for you. Tell them your number one priority, other than covering your accounts and doing what you do already on a daily basis, is helping me as the business owner, helping my team, the company you work for, the team that you're a part of, cover accounts for other team members. Now, when that means a call comes in, day of that somebody can't make it to an account, I'm gonna call upon you. You're the rock star. You're gonna help me service that account. And it could be 2 accounts in a night. It could be 3 accounts in a night. It could be a whole 8-hour shift in a night. You might have to pull a double. You might have to jump in a car and drive an hour to help. That is the definition of that rock star, because you are performing the top-notch service of this job. Man, I mean, I can't tell you enough how much that role has helped us as a company and has pushed those people. We've got probably 4 rock stars that are now area managers, supervisors, head trainers, head inspectors, because those are the next positions, right? You go from rock star to being a team lead, to being a trainer, to being an inspector, to being QC. Our head of QC and head trainer right now was a cleaning technician who became our coverage rock star and now has moved up the ladder, and others have followed. A rock star for you is the building blocks of a kick-ass team that you'll start to build, and the culture is there, the drive, the energy, the positive vibes that these people are gonna give the rest of your team. Why? Because they get shit done. They have what I've talked about before, they're proactive, they just get it done. And what does that do for you as a business owner, especially in the cleaning industry? It allows you to work on the business instead of in the business.